Hey everyone, today we're gonna look at Leapwing Audio Stage 1. Let's listen to what we have for this demo. We're gonna start with the classic width setting. I will start by setting this up to about 50% and we'll keep everything beyond 300 Hz to mono. Let's listen to how that sounds. Before. After. Next, we're gonna use our tilt EQ and we'll boost the highs ever so slightly. We're gonna set our depth to 15. Let's listen to how that sounds. Before. After. Under mono spread, we're gonna tilt it to the left a little bit. This is kind of your center of gravity, if you like. I'm going to set that to 1.5 or 2. Let's listen to how that sounds. Before. After. And finally, we are going to adjust our mono spread to 7. And let's listen to it. Here is before. After. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.